Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your SEO with Moz step by step clearly. To optimize your SEO with Moz, start by creating a Moz account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Moz homepage. Click on the Keyword Explorer tool located in the top menu. In the search bar, enter the keyword or phrase you want to analyze. After entering your keyword, click on the Analyze button. Review the metrics displayed, including search volume and keyword difficulty. Take note of the related keywords and their potential. Next, head over to the On-Page Grader tool. Input the URL of the page you want to optimize. Moz will generate an on-page SEO report for that URL. Examine the recommendations provided, focusing on areas that need improvement. Make the necessary adjustments to your website based on the report. Now, access the Link Explorer tool from the top menu. Enter your website URL to assess its backlink profile. Review the quantity and quality of the backlinks. Identify any potential link building opportunities. Next, return to the dashboard and click on Site Crawl. Enter your website's URL and initiate the crawl. Once the crawl is complete, review the issues found on your site. Fix any technical SEO issues, such as broken links or missing meta tags. Now, leverage the Rank Tracker feature to monitor your keyword rankings. Add the keywords you want to track and set up your tracking preferences. Regularly check back on your rankings and adjust your strategy as necessary. Finally, utilize the SEO community features offered by Moz. Engage with others and share insights to enrich your knowledge. By following these steps, you can effectively optimize your SEO with Moz. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.